pena, no vives esperando un corazón extraño.
Strong enough to start an engine, man.
1 minute. Azul, cielo lo que pido y no ser feliz.
So, yes, had a great night. Hey, shout out to Cheers. Hey, those pills, they work, right? Well, the Cheers. What you took, you just had the powder, right? Because I bought both. But yeah. Oh, I only feel like kind of like tired. That's it.
Need tired, I need water.
You need water? I need Romo.
Cerveza.
Yeah, con clamato.
You want it, serio? Temprano.
No, it's too early. No, 5 years ago? Oh, yeah.
But some people say if you drink alcohol, the same alcohol you
Cheers.
drink it the last night.
Cheers.
You feel nítido.
Nítido. Oh, with my glasses. Yo, I couldn't record in the club. It was too loud, so I couldn't even be like, hey, man. Oh, it's a problem? I've been there before. Oh, so he seemed good, but yeah, I've been there before. So yeah, we about to go change some money out. We're supposed to go to the beach today, but it's looking like a hurricane. Strong enough to start an engine, man. That's what it's looking like, so. Don't know about the beach. But everybody's off today? Your uncle, everybody? Yeah, that's wild. She got the neck joint on the bike, like she wanted to be comfortable. Not the one in the middle, matter of fact. ¿Dónde es fría? De cerveza de fría?
En el super sugar ranch.
Yeah, I ain't gonna front. I know it's been a while since me and my rib been here, but I ain't gonna lie. This bring me nostalgic vibes right here. I forget, like I don't have to wait, like, cause wait to go somewhere and shit like that. We be out. Yo, she woke up early today. I woke up to, I like, yo, where we at? You know, let's go. I got a feeling this gonna be a good trip. I just forgot. I forgot how it is. Usually, cause when I'm here solo, I be like, I don't like going a lot of places solo like that. I just, you know what I'm saying? But no, I'm good.
Ay, mamá. ¿O no? Yo sé que soy yo.
They don't have drunk. I feel drunk. Cheers. All right, yo, so we here at Sweet Sensory. I've been here once before, it's a couple years back. They give you a nice experience with like the different rooms. You can take photos and stuff. They got alcohol here too, but I got some in the car, so I ain't worried about it. We were supposed to go to Boca Chica. Well, we did go to Boca Chica for salsa, rumbera, or whatever. But rumbera, but they didn't have it, so.
Mira la forma de presto. Si quiero tirar la chica me pone pretexto. Pa' que el perfil en ella es manifiesto. Para que se vaya a ver.
Así que seguimos celebrando con los compañeros. Bendiciones para todo aquel que se le cumple esta noche. Happy birthday, compañero cumpleañero. El agua no va. Esto va a tener. ¿De dónde debe tenerme?
Chica, vengo ya mi celular por estar para diferente.
¡Mueve esa chapa! Hey, yo, let me get a photo of her. Oh, okay.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Mix it back. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put this video on the channel, but Mix is back, and the crew is with me. We out here. What? You know what I'm saying? My rib, his rib, and I got my nephew Ishi out here. You know what I'm saying? Lap dance Ish, lap dance Ish.
What's going on?
Y te lo hice por el respeto. ¿Qué pasa por mi sangre de los piques puestos? Estamos lo que somos aquí, ya no quiero más puestos. Y no tiene presupuesto para luchar en este. Yo tengo un tripeo que no lo veo. Andamos en los Mercedes tirando los feos. Dicen que están en la calle, pero no lo veo. Tengo otro común y lo pegué largo. Esta pelota pasando por el seno. Ellos están copiando hasta como nos vestimos. Nos pegamos ahora y ellas quieren hacer lo mismo. Ellas quieren consumirnos. Sale con jugo, come el trapo y con dinero lo hizo. No quiero el party. Yo sé que ella va a querer. Si a ella tan solo le contara que si se tira le van a llorar. Tengo una lo que se parece a chimbala. Y corriendo porque yo me para. Tú la tienes
Le vale por malo, mi amor. Ya listo de mí. Estoy frío.
amor por ese paná. Buscándote, yo soy hombre, how I feel feliz. Yo me tú.